All right, so I'm going to continue the class now. So from where we stopped yesterday, we stopped at working with I think it's oh yes, OBS. I remember working with OBS. So someone had asked a question yesterday. So I'm going to go through the question now. Okay. Uh, so the question. Okay, I'm looking for the question that was asked yesterday. So I think the question is how do I okay to get the plugins? So if you want to get the plugins, like I said yesterday, you can visit my website as the Talkman. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to paste the link inside the description now. So here in the chat. So I'm going to pin the so I've pinned message. So you can visit the website here. This is the website, my website. So click on portfolio. Once you click on portfolio, okay, no, sorry, I mean store rather. So once you click on store, so it's going to show the current product that is online right now. So here we have is a worship premium repack. If you want to get that one, you can get it there. Just 3,000 naira. So you have some specification also. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the one that I'm talking about. It is all-in-one exclusive broadcast. So it contains everything you're going to need in working with OBS, like live stream with OBS. So with this particular package, you're going to get many things that you're going to be using for streaming. So um, that's just it. Now let's continue. Okay, it's just 1,000 naira. You can see here, just 1,000 naira. I think rain is kind of falling right now. So let's continue with the okay. I think the network is kind of fluctuating due to the rain. So please hold on. Okay, let's continue with the class. So now I'm going to go to the OBS. So like I said yesterday I talked about scene, yeah. I talked about source. I talked about these multi-stream tools. These all these plugins are also inside the package, inside the OBS package. So we are talking about the mix and control. So today we're going to be talking about how to live stream to social media platform. So currently I'm live streaming to YouTube. So for this particular class, so now let's continue. So I'm going to use this our church account for the class. So this church account is already linked. So I'm going to teach you how to use these plugins also. So by default, if you want to stream with OBS, you need to use this start streaming button, but I don't really use that button. So that is the reason why I'm using these tools here right here. So before we get into that, we've talked about how to add scene yesterday, like working with scenes. Someone we talked about that one yesterday. How to add camera. Okay, I remember the question. Someone asked yesterday that like how can I add a rotate logo in OBS? So to do this, by default OBS come with I think yes, vMix come with some presets whereby you can add image and it's installed into a rotate logo. But I don't do that. So what I do is that I think there are two many tools online. I'm just going to go like Google is free. I'm just going to like image something like image animator free. image animator free. So I can just go through all these tools one by one, check the one that is okay for me. But this intro video here that I so usually use, this video that is playing right now, to create this kind of as you can see, the video has a watermark, so we are just using it like that. So to create this kind of logo, uh, you can go to like um, the name of the website is Render Forest. So this is the name of the website. To okay, let me just click down. So this is the name of the website, Render Forest. Here you can create many video logos, and you can create ads here also, but it comes with watermark, which you have to purchase. As you can see here, pricing, you have to purchase it to use this thing. So here we have plenty, we have many logos like animation 3D logos. As you can see, this one that is playing right now, this is the one, this is the 3D logo. So if you are looking for more, you can just come here, video, let's see, let's try this okay, intro. Okay, yeah, this is the video. So here you can choose from you can choose anyone that have like this crown icon, they are free. So you can just get anyone except from those one, then input your image, then you can create your logo. So that's one, those are the tools that you can use in creating logo. So this Render Forest, for creating that rotating logo, you can use the one that the search features that I used the other time. So you can use that one also to create a rotating logo. So that's it. I've answered your question. Now let's continue with the video. So now let's get started. Let's start, for example, now we've add our input, we've add camera, we've add everything, images and everything we want to add. We've add them. Let's the next step is now to stream. So by default, if you don't have this to stream on OBS, just have to come to this setting, click on setting. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, now the okay, this is the setting window for OBS. So to set this up, I'm just going to move to just okay. To set this up, so there are some settings you can do here. There are some things you can do here. So here, no, okay. I know usually. Let me just put it back to 10. I think. Sorry. So let me continue. So I will open the windows again. The setting window. Here you can make some changes to the software. This is the general settings. Here, if you are working with multi-stream, if you have an external monitor just for live streaming, you can use this thing to set it up. We are still going to talk about that features later. So this is just to change the appearance, like to change the thing from dark to light. So that's it. Okay, to stream now. So if you want to live stream to any social media page, let's say Facebook or YouTube, so you need to click on stream here, then choose your service, which service are you using. So here we have YouTube, we have Facebook Live, we have Restream.io. This Restream.io is just like external streaming website, so you have to pay for it. Restream, let's see. So this is just another streaming, is the streaming website, though you are still going to be streaming from OBS though. So you are going to copy the stream key that was generated for you by this particular, so as you can see here. So with this Restream.io rather, you can, as you can see here, there are many things that you can do in the Restream.io. Like you can just connect many things in this Restream, but I don't usually use it. So let's get back to it. So we have Twitch also, and we have Twitter. But the one that I will say, I won't recommend you using these all these links, all these lists of webs of social media handles. So I will recommend using that you should use custom. So with this custom, you can just let me open the Facebook now. Let's open our Facebook page right now. So So please, if you have any question, you can drop the question inside the in the comment box. I'm going to reply your comments, or I'm going to, if it's a comment that I can make a quick video on. I'm going to explain it. So drop your comments inside the comment box, so I will attend to it. So the Facebook have to load. So let's continue. This network is kind of updating. So let's continue. So here, what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to input this server RTMP, the link generated by the page. So okay, it has opened. So I'm just going to, this is the Facebook page. I'm just going to click on live video, as you see here. So here on Facebook, this is a live video. Just click on live video. This is the, I think the network is fluctuating. That's the reason why the network is very slow. Okay. Okay, I think the network is kind of slow due to the rain that is falling. So I'm just going to click on go live. You see that we have two options there. We have create an event, and we have another one, go live. So I click on go live if I want to go live right now. So I prefer using that than creating an event. The issue I'm having with creating an event is that in creating an event, once I select my date, starting time and ending time, automatically the live stream will just stop, and it might not even reach that particular time that I set to stop the live stream. So I think there's something that I've seen, like a blog about that problem, but that's the reason why I stopped using creating an event. So I use this live video, whereby as you can see, this is my stream key. To get my RTM, I can just click it. So when you want to stream to Facebook, these are advanced things that I just click here. By default, this is what you're going to see. So just click on, first of all, the first thing I'm going to do is that click on this advanced setting. Then make sure that your assistant stream key is turned on. Once this is turned on, you're good to go. So once this is our server URL, I'm just going to copy this server URL. Then I'm going to come to OBS. Here with that says server, I'm going to paste it here. So let me see something. Okay. So here that says stream key. This is our stream key. So I'm going to copy this one here also. This is our stream key. Once I'm done with this one, so I can just stream to Facebook. So let's continue. Before we stream to Facebook, you have to make some other settings also. So here, this is where you see the main settings. This is where the main settings is. Whereby where you are going to store video bitrate, your frames per second, and so on and so forth. So there are some settings that by default Facebook require for a better streaming, but we are not going to follow that because the network here in Nigeria is somehow, so we are not going to follow that. This is what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do that, though I'm using the my phone internet right now. So to get this, just go to speed test. That's the first thing you should do. Check your speed, internet speed. So with this, it's going to help you with your upload speed and your download speed. So what we need is just the upload speed. We don't need the download speed. So let's see. Okay. So that's just the download speed. So this is the upload speed. Wow. I don't even know that the network is kind of good like this. So as you can see here, this is what we need. This is megabyte per second. So we have to, the megabyte per second of my internet upload speed right now is 16 MB. So I see that it's 16 MB, but here we have 225 MB, which is 2500 kilobyte per second. That's this KB. Why this one is MB? So our we're staying on the right path, but to avoid any lag in the video, I'm going to change this to either 1.5 or 2000, but let's go with 2000 right now. Then audio bitrate, I'm going to change this to 128. So this one, I'm going to leave it as software, since we don't have an external encoder. So very fast. So I think that's all. So frame rate per second. Okay, video bitrate. Okay, I think it's there. Okay, it is set by default. So now that we have input our server string key, we input everything that we need for the streaming. I'm just going to click OK. So once I click OK, then okay, I'm going to click on this start streaming. So it's kind of connecting. It's connecting with the details that I input into the OBS. As you can see here, it says start streaming. So as you can see here under the software, you can see that the network is kind of okay, which is 2000 kilobytes. So let's check our Facebook. So as you can see here, it's kind of finished. So I'm going to get the video so that you guys can see. Let me just okay. You see here under the software, you can see that the network is kind of okay, which is 2000 kilobytes. So now that's it. So to start streaming to Facebook, I think before Facebook don't usually do this, but now I think it is compulsory. Before we can stream, we need to input the title and the description of the live stream. So here you're just going to input the title of the live stream, description of the live stream. Once you input this, let's just say that media ministry. So let me just copy this one here also. If I click save, so as you can see, this button is going to turn blue. Okay, now as you can see, the button is turned blue. So if I want to go live now, I can just click this go live. Then what I'm doing here in OBS is going to show in the Facebook. So that is how to stream to Facebook. So this complaint here is that keyframe rate too low. So that's not the reason why I don't usually use this control. So now let's do the same settings with this plugin, which is the multi-stream. I'm going to stop the streaming now. So I'll stop the stream. So let's see. Let me kind of refresh this. So okay. So I've refreshed this now. Now see it's the same details. Now let's check our advanced settings. Still the persistent stream is still on. So now to set this up, so I'm going to set another one up. I already set one up here, as you can see. So I'm going to set another one. So to set this up, I'm just going to click on this gear icon. Okay, main output. So here's all my all the output that we are using in these multi-stream settings. So I'm going to create another one, add output, which is Facebook. It's going to be Facebook. I'm going to select Facebook here. So Facebook. The only thing I can name the output, like let me see Facebook. So by default, the Facebook server is already there. What I just need to do is that input my stream key. Here on Facebook is here on Facebook. So here it is, stream key. I've placed my stream key, then create output. So the output is create this it. So I'm going to come to the advanced setting here. So since OBS is our main encoder, and this is main encoder which starts with this button right here, but I'm not going to use this. So I'm going to change my video encoder to this one, S264. I'm going to change it. 30 frame rate per second is okay for live streaming. Then the problem we're having here when I add the video, like I stream to the video to Facebook, like the error we are getting here, which is keyframe rate per second. So like I said the other time, we are going to change our bitrate to 2000 here. So here we are going to set the keyframe, which is 2, with the lowest one should be 2. So we're going to be using 2. So as you 2, Okay. Now after input to profile, just leave this one on default. So let's see, this is it. Once I click this stream button, let's wait for it to turn blue. So as you can see now, it has turned blue. Now let's go back to our Facebook. Let's wait for you. As you can see, connecting video. So it's connected already. So as you can see, um, same features. So same thing. So I can just click on go live. So I can see now the error is not showing anymore. So even if I stream this video, it's not going to lag it because I'm not using the default setting that came with OBS. So that's it. So I'm going to stop the stream now. So the next thing is how to work with Easy Worship and OBS working together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to import a video that we recorded today. So let me just video. Let me put it in camera 2. I am going to put the video in camera 2. So let me add the video now. So I'm going to browse. So let me open this worship. So that will be loading. So that won't take much of our time. Now I want to look for the video. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, let's use this one. So I've selected the video. Let me activate the loop. Click OK. Now let me play the video.
Now.
So here's the video.
Okay.
As you can see,
the Lord said to me to sell to this commission
what to do is
that the month of February is our month and season to shine the light. Is our month, is our time, and it is our season to shine the light. Therefore, make it louder and say after me, I am here to shine. Can you make an announcement to that person by your side? Let that person know what you are saying, that I am here to shine. The person didn't hear you very well, so leave that person. Walk up to 3 people and tell them, I am here to shine. Now listen. Those people have heard you.
I click 1 year.
But there is another person that needs to hear that you are here to shine. That is the devil.
Know that it is in there that we added. So I'm to bring in the.
How will I say that in English now?
So as you can see here, Easy Worship.
Even if the devil is deaf, let him hear your voice. Announce to the devil that you can no more be trampled on. You are here to shine. Can you?
I'm going to know that you drop a question. I'm going to answer the question. Now as you can see here, we have a black background, no watermark. If you want to purchase Easy Worship, you can go on the same website also. If you're going to see this over there. So no watermark, as you can see here. So this is our Easy Worship output. What is showing here? If I change it to this thing, you can see the same thing. So that's how we add Easy Worship into OBS. Now let's say that, as you can see, the what they call it has the black background, but we don't use black background. Like we want this text to show in front of this video here, to show in front of this video. So if I add this thing, if I add this thing, you can see that the video is playing. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to select this NDI. So this is worship source that we added in OBS. Click on filter here. Then here, this is we are going to add some filter, which is chroma key. So chroma key is just like removing a particular color from the image. So the image that you want to select is green. By default it's set to green. So we need to go back to Easy Worship and create a new theme. So let's come back to let's create a new theme. So just for the layout of the this worship. So inspect, click on inspect. Yeah. I just want to change this background view, which is color view. Now you can see that it's changed to blue, but we're not using blue. We're using the popular which is green, which is called green screen. So yeah, I'm just going to close this one, name this one. Let me just name it, and click on OK. So the theme is already created, so I'm going to right click it, set as default something. So if I go back to song, as you can see, selected. Now as you can see, we've come back to this worship. Because I've already activated this chroma key, it is removed by default. So if I remove the chroma key, you can see that the green background is back. But on it again, you can see that what's that? Now you can see that the green background is gone. You can see that the text is appearing on the video, but it's not okay like this. We want these lyrics to be a lower third in OBS when streaming. So I'm going to close this one. So to make that kind of settings, I'm going to come back to this worship here. This theme that we created, we are going to edit it. So cancel this one. Let me see. Just cancel this one. So I'm going to click this one, edit something. So once I click on edit, I will select this text box. I'm going to resize it. So let me resize the text box. As you can see now, I'm just resize it again. So make it bigger a little. So click on OK. Now it's using the same. It's going to use the same. As you can see now, it's appearing on the lower third, but it's not okay like this. So if you attend the class that I did, the online class that we did on WhatsApp, I said that when streaming, it's not advisable to use 4-line in a slide. So we're going to edit the song now. So we're going to cut it into 2. Let's see. So let me come back to song here. Edit song. So let's wait for the song to load. Then click on this slide. Then add a new, divide the slide by using Control plus Enter. So we're going to remove this copyright. Delete. So click OK. If I click this now, you can see that it's not appearing as the lower third, but the location of the lower third, you have to bring it down a little, move it down a little. So I'm still going to go to make that changes in Easy Worship. So I'm going to click on edit something here. Then I'll move this text box. I'm going to move it down a little. So let me delete this copyright. We don't really need it. So let me reduce this a little, increase it a little. So click OK. So come back to song again. Let's see now. As you can see now, okay guys, I'm sorry, I don't know that this is what is showing on the live. So let me just quickly run through it again. Sorry about that. So sorry. Oh Jesus. Okay, run through it again. What I did is that I go to Easy Worship. Yeah, I created a new team. I name the team AA, then resize the text box. Then I bring it into OBS. So it's going to be showing out a lot again. So that's just what I did. Okay, let's continue.